Good afternoon, students. Today is a Saturday, so this is your GK period. In this is your GK video. So your final syllabus will start from page number 38, chapter Dances Across the World. Okay. So dance is a form of expression and a means of celebration. It represents the culture of country or a region. These are some popular dance forms from across the world. Read the clues and identify these dance forms. Choose your answers from the help box. As you know that in different countries, even in different regions, there are different forms of dance. So in this chapter we will see different dances. Dash is a form of dance, song and instrumental music associated with the Egyptians of southern Spain. This dance form was a result of the intermingling of different cultures with that of Spanish culture. This dance is flamenco. Okay. Second, dance dash dance originated in the USA. In this style of dance, tapping sound is created when dancers rhythmically strike the ground. The shoes of the dancers have metal plates attached to the heels and toes. It is tango dance. In this dance form, when the dancers create a sound or create a tap sound when they dance. Dash is the partner dance that originated of South America. This type of dance form is dance to repetitive style of music. It is a tap dance. It is a tango. ओके इट इज़ अ टैप डांस. इसमें टैप की साउंड आती है. ओके. फोर्थ is a traditional dance of the Maasai people of Kenya and Tanzania. In this dance form, the men dance by jumping up and down, and the younger men show their power by trying to jump the highest. It is Adumo. Dash is the dance of the Maori people from New Zealand. It is often associated with the battle preparation of the male warriors. It is Haka dance. Okay. Dash is a performance dance that originated in Italy and later became popular in France and Russia. Hence, these are different styles of this dance form. The French, Russian, and Italian. The dancers uses precise steps and footwork while dancing. It is ballet. It is a ballet dance. It is famous. It is originated in Italy, and after that it is popular in France and Russia. Hence there are a different style in these forms. Means it is originated in Delhi, Italy, and after that it is popular in France and Russia, and each country has a different style. Even the ballet have a different style in this. Okay, the dancers use precise steps and footwork while dancing. Now, Fat Fight. Hapak is a traditional folk dance of Ukraine. Essentially, it was performed only by males. Later, it transformed into couple dance and mixed group dance. There are no fixed steps involved in this dance form. Okay, Hapak is a traditional dance folk dance of Ukraine, and it is first essentially in the previous state it is performed by only men, but later on it's changed into couple dance and group dance, and it has no fixed step. You can do any step in this dance. Okay, so I'm sending this work in your group, so note down in your copy. I'm writing with a pen, but you have to write with a pencil. Okay, don't use a pen in your copy, a book. Okay, thank you class.